watch as I fall on my face. Yeah, they thinking that's all that it takes. Yeah, they going, he's out of the race. Yeah, they counting me out, but wait, I may be down today, but tomorrow they all gonna say it's impossible. Somehow we found a way. It's hard to believe that they came from around the way. It's beating the odds. Said to the mayor, I'll be number one. For me, I'm focused, the beating the drums. It's psyching me up. I believe I have won before I've begun. I'll make sure next time they're biting their tongues, holding their breath, and know I am the one to watch. All that I dodged, all the hits that I took to become what I am is insane. They're calling it hard. It's an understatement. The scars are the proof it was deep, it was hard. I may be down today, but tomorrow I'll work on train even harder. Come ballad the rain fall down on me. I will remain the last one standing. I aim everything in me at a task at hand.